Rusty, why are you looking at the forest? You aren't considering going in there, are you?
Just for a look, maybe to eat a few plants.
No, 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 no. It's scary out there.
Well, you're a wimp then.
Henry says wildcats live in there.
What does Henry know? He probably just eats too much catnip. I'm outta here.
Nuwoo, Rusty, you'll die out there.
See you, wimp.
He's dead.
Wow, the forest is so cool, but no wildcats.
Gaypaw, what did we tell you about beating up helpless kitty pets?
Sorry,
Who's this?
I'm Rusty.
no one asked you. He's Rusty. Rusty, this is Bluester, leader of Thundercolt, and Lionheart, my mentor.
Thundercall.
Fire alone can save our clan.
Thundercult is a group of cats consisting of a leader, deputy, medicine cat, warriors, and others. You can join if you want.
What?
You're letting this kitty pet into the clan.
He'll join if he wants to Lionheart.
UHM. Yes, please.
Okay, you will train beside Gay Greypaw.
But, fine.
So you did come.
I'm White Storm. I don't get paid enough.
Wow, this is so cool. I hope everyone is nice to me.
Kitty pet.
Well, I'm leaving.
Good luck, Rusty.
Fight him, Rusty.
Yeah, fight me in my long, luscious locks.
G-R-R-R-R-R.
Color
Quick
snatch. My long, luscious locks.
Take your dumb hair and shut up.
Is he okay?
I'll get him.
Anyway, Rusty, you have been promoted to Firepaw.
Redtail's dead.